Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, June the 18th, 2022. We have here in this additional six extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and the binary puzzle. Yes, and those puzzles I'm not interested. A total of 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all today. Half of them, 3 of them, I will do it today. The other 3 tomorrow, because on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so the rest of the puzzles of the additional I will do tomorrow. But first, the Sudoku with 3 stars. Number 4720. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. All right. We have here 3 twos, or 3 threes, 1 4, 3 5, 4 fives, 1 2 3 4. Yeah, the 5 and the ones. 1 2 3, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 1 9. So the ones and the fives are in majority. Let me see if I can start with the 5. Well, we have a 1 and a 5 in this column, 1 and a 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then. Yeah, the 1 in this column. The 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the last row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. Alright. Now I cannot continue with the 1. How about the 5? 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 5 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 5. Okay. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. We see another 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in the second row, so no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. Okay. Now I cannot continue with the 2. Need to wait. How about the 6 in this row? 6 in the 6 in the last row. 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Three missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, could be there in this column. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Oh, wait. Okay, cannot continue with the 6. Alright. Let me see. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Cannot continue with the 8. Need more information. Alright. 9. 7. Let me think. 2 missing numbers. Wait. 4 and 9. No. Need to wait. 9, 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Here, 3 in the last row, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3. 3. 4 and 9. And 8. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and 9. So we have an 8 in the last column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8 in the third row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row, third row for number 1. Then. 7. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. And look, we have 4 and 8 in this big square. So no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 8 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 1 box left in this column for number 9. 9. 3, 7. Let me see. 3, 7, 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers so 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 9. How about the 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. All right. Okay. Let me see. Well. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. All right. 3 in this column, third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those two boxes, 4 and the 6. In this row, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7. And look, here cannot be sorry. Here we have a 4 and a 7 in this column. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 6. 1 box left in this column for number 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6, and this box should be 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. Then let me see. 2 missing numbers. Oh wait, yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. For number 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be 3, and this box should be 9. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 3. The 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, it's not a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, a binary puzzle and a tectonic one. Until then, bye bye for now.